Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Remitly account password. First, go to remitly.com and simply click on login. You must need to remember the email that you have registered with your account. Then you just need to click on forget password here, and your registered email is mandatory in this section. You just need to enter the registered email here and simply click on continue, and you will go through a verification process. Now here they will verify you through the email address. You will get a verification code in your email address, and you just need to click on email me button, and here you can see they have sent a security code in my email account. You just need to check your mailbox for the security code from Remitly. You just need to click on that mail and you will get the code. Simply copy that code and paste it here. After entering the correct code, it will automatically redirect you to the password changing tab. If you enter any wrong password, then it will show like this error. Then you just need to enter the correct code here and it will redirect you to the tab where you can change your password. You can there simply enter the new password and confirm the password, and then click on done button, and you can get access to your account and the new password is set to your account. That's how you can change or reset your Remitly account password easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.